Hi friends, there is a question in our SFM book, question number 43 of November 17 module. I am having the November 17 module. The chapter is project planning and capital budgeting. Okay, so I am going to start reading the question. Ramesh owns a plot of land on which he intends to construct apartment units for sale. Okay, he is having a plot of land on which he wants to construct apartments for selling purpose. Number of apartment units to be constructed may be either 10 or 15. Okay, and the total construction cost for these alternatives are estimated to be 600 lakhs or 1025 lakhs respectively. I'm gonna write it. Cost for 10 units and for 15 units. Okay, so the cost for 10 units has been given 600 lakhs, and here it is 1025 lakhs. Fine. So after that, current market price has been given for each apartment, that is 80 lakhs per unit. Either it will be for either he is going to construct 10 apartments or 15 apartments. The market price will be 80 lakhs. Then the data is given about after 1 year the market price will depend upon the conditions of market. There are two conditions, like either the market is buoyant or it will go sluggish. Okay, so if the market is buoyant, each apartment unit will be sold for 91 lakhs, and if the market goes sluggish, then the apartment market price will be 75 lakhs. So right now current market price is 80 lakhs, and after I can write Y1, it will, in case of buoyant market, or there are two conditions of market, either it will go buoyant or either it will go sluggish, then in this case the market price will go to 91 lakhs, and in case of sluggish it will be 75 lakhs. Fine. So now the question is, determine the current value of vacant plot of land. Leave it for now. Should Ramesh start construction now or keep the land vacant? So the question is asking whether the Ramesh should start the construction or keep this land vacant. And the additional, there is an additional information. The yearly rental per apartment is 7 lakhs and the risk-free interest rate is 10% per annum. Fine. So let's start doing for current year Y0. If we will construct 10 units, then the market price will be 18 to 10, that will be 800 lakhs, minus cost is 600 lakhs. For this data is for 10 units, and for 15 units 15 into, that will be 15 into 80 lakhs, 15 multiplied by 80, that is 1200 lakhs minus 1025 lakhs. So until here he wants to start the construction of 10 units, he is going to earn 200 lakhs, and here he is going to earn 175 lakhs. So if he decides to start the construction at the year 0, then he is going to construct he is going to construct 10 units, because he is earning, the net cash flow is 200 lakhs here and here it is 175, so this option will be preferable. Okay, now coming to the year 1, there are two conditions, either the market will go buoyant or it will go sluggish. So in case of 10 units and in case of 15 units, here see, for 10 units the market price will be 91 multiplied by 10, that is 910. Here the market price will be, in case of buoyant, 91 into 15, that is 1365 lakhs. In case of sluggish, market price has goes down to 75. So here it will be 750 lakhs, and for 15 units it will be 1125 lakhs. Okay? In the question, there has been given that assume that the construction cost will remain unchanged. So for 10 units, the construction cost has been given 600 lakhs, and for 15 units, the construction cost has been given 1025 lakhs. So putting these values here, 600 lakhs for 10 units, and for 15 units, it has been given 1025. Here also 1025. So here the net cash flow is coming 150 lakhs. Here it is coming 310 lakhs. Here 1365 minus 1025, it is coming 340 lakhs. And here it is 1125, I guess it is 100. So if after 1 year, if the market goes buoyant, then which in this case, which option is more preferable? In case of 10 units, the net cash flow is coming 310 lakhs, and in case of 15 units, the net cash flow is coming 340 lakhs. So this option is preferable in case the market goes buoyant, okay? And in case if the market goes sluggish, then which option is more preferable? For 10 units, the net cash flow is coming 150 lakhs, and for 15 units, the net cash flow is coming 100 lakhs. So this option is preferable, but the problem is that we don't know after 1 year what is going to happen. Either the market will be sluggish or either the market will be buoyant. Then in that case, we are going to put probability. Like, see, the probability will be now the current market price of the what is changing. The current market price is changing now, because right now it is 80 lakhs, and after 1 year, in both the situations, whether it will go buoyant or sluggish, the market price will going to change. That's why we are going to put binomial theorem of probability. Now the current market price is 80 lakhs, fine. After 1 year, either it will go to 91 lakhs in case of a buoyant market, or in case of sluggish market, it goes down to 75 lakhs. But there is an additional information in the question that the yearly rental per apartment unit is C. This is the market price after 1 year. It means that if we are going to sell the apartment after 1 year, we are going to get 91 lakhs, and we are going to get 75 lakhs. But in addition to that, that 1 year period is free. That means we are not going to sell the apartment in year 0. So the time between year 0 and year 1, the apartment will be free. So we are going to earn rental income as well. Fine. So adding this, we are going to get 98 lakhs, and adding this, we are going to get 82 lakhs. Fine. So now two probabilities are there. After 1 year, either we are going to get 98 lakhs net cash flow or 82 lakhs. But both the conditions are are going to prevail. We don't know whether this will happen or this will happen. So we are going to put probability. Okay. I'm gonna rub this side. So let P be the probability of the market being buoyant. Fine. So for buoyant, the net cash flow is 98 lakh, and P be the probability of the market being buoyant. So the probability will be 98 multiplied by P plus another probability will be 1 minus P. I'm sure I'm not gonna teach this. Okay, and 82 lakhs. So now the question is, these are the net cash flows of after 1 year, but we are going to do the calculation for the present year, so we have to discount it back, and the risk free rate is given 10%, so we have to discount it back. So we are going to divide it by 1.1. Fine. And this will be equal to the current market. These are the market price, na? Sorry, these are the not the net cash flows. These are the market price. So we are going to equate it with the current market price, that is 80. So after solving it, we are going to get this is 88, 98p plus 82 minus 82p. Solving it, 88 minus 82, 6, 16. So we are getting 6 divided by 16, that is coming to be 0.375, it means 37.5. So the market being buoyant, the probability is for the market being buoyant, the probability is coming 37.5. So for the market being sluggish, the probability will be 1 minus 0.375, or you can say 100 minus 37.5, it will come, I guess, 62.5. Yep. So 1 minus P will come to be 62.5%. Okay. So now further, now we have to what were the cash flows we found for after the 1 year was, which was more preferable. It was, I'm going to see from the book. Okay. For if the market goes buoyant, which one was more preferable? We should construct 15 unit apartments, and the net cash flow was 340 lakhs. I'm going to write it here. Okay. For buoyant, 15 units was more preferable, where the net cash flows were 340 lakhs. And for the sluggish market, which one was more preferable? I guess 10 units was there. Yeah, 10 units, and the net cash flows were 150 lakhs. Fine. So now 340 lakhs, what is the probability of getting this cash flows? This multiplied by 37.5% plus, and what is the probability of getting the net cash flow of 150 lakhs after 1 year? That is 62.5. So 150 lakhs multiplied by 62.5%. Solving it, we are getting 27.5. We are getting 221.25. But now these are the cash flow we are getting. This is the net cash flows we are supposed to get after 1 year, and the question is asking for the current value of vacant plot of land. So this is of after 1 year now, so we have to discount it back. Either we will do divide it by 1.1, or we can do one thing, 1 divided by 1.1, or we can multiply it by 0.909. In our book, in the practice manual, it has been multiplied by 0.909, so we are getting 0.909 multiplied by, so we are getting 201.11625, that is, we can write it 1163, okay, 1163. So this is the current net cash flow, present value. So this will be the current value of vacant plot of land, which has been asked in the question. Okay. So thank you so much.